Some boats wait at the dock. This one waits for you to point at the horizon. Ferretti, 800, 81 feet of Italian water time. Built in Forlì, the kind of Italian engineering that holds up to weeks at sea. Designed for the days when sunset finds you halfway between two coastlines. Twin MTUs unwind under your feet. The deep V hull settles in. You're past the inlet and into open water before most people pour their second coffee. The afternoon weather doesn't get a vote. Swim platform drops. Foredeck sun pads open up. The flybridge becomes the whole afternoon. Jacuzzi running, wet bar set. 10 people spread across 120 square feet of sky. Tender stowed for the sandbar run. Aft cockpit dining for the long lunch. Floor-to-ceiling glass keeps the salon part of the day. Never separate from it. Crew quarters tucked aft, so when you call for the next round, it actually arrives. 4 cabins below. Base camp, not bedroom. Full beam master where the swell is quietest. 2 VIPs forward for whoever you brought. Most boats this size give you space. The 800 gives you a routine. You wake on the water, you eat on the water, you go back in the water before the sun does. This is a boat that turns weekends into weeks. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.